Here's Johnny.
Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razors, gardening, cooking, and canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. Well, we did get some rain this day. Nice little batch in the afternoon, cooling everything down, unfortunately. Please give us a like, share, subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. And it's going to get cooler even more tonight. These overnight lows do not do well for the pool temperature. And it also reminds us that summer is coming to an end. We're looking at squash growing out of the compost pile. Going crazy. Oh, look. More. Just more. And I have no more room. We are going to get quite a lot of squash this year. And we have been using these peppers to can them, which is why the plants are pretty well void of peppers. Not all of them, mind you. Using a combination of onion and mustard seed. Onion from the garden, fresh onion, strong onion, and that mustard seed. Oh, another one. More to collect this morning. Oh, look at you. Oh. Too small to collect yesterday, now it's too big. Look at this. This is... And of course, the mildew's popping up on everything. So I really do have to do that spray today. I want these plants to survive another week or so. Oh yes, look at this, eh? Those cool, moist temperatures bringing about all that mildew. But we have had quite the growth, haven't we? Quite the growth. Harvested some more beans yesterday. We'll have to harvest some more again today. And another zucchini right there, another one forming there that I'm not going to grab. They'll probably find it's too big tomorrow. The growth just keeps going. Just keeps going. Our kale, providing us salads every day. That will continue to grow till it's too cold. The wonders of kale. It lasts so much longer than the lettuce you plant. If you want to have salads from your garden. Let's look deep in here. Do we have more? Another zucchini. Yeah, there's another one there. How about in here? No. Nothing. Another one wants to start. How's here? Another one? Yeah, another one starting there as well. Okay. Well, so much growth. And of course, our other squash boxes are just insanely growing. A lot of green, but not too many many squashes. I hope there's more than just this one gourd here hiding in all these squash beds. How about in there? And look at this. This is how much it's grown since yesterday. That was a tiny little fella yesterday. We're gonna have to grab that. Eh? Look at that. Exponential growth. So much growth. Yeah, look at you, another one right there. I don't usually cut these. These are really easy to grab off. Another one up there. And as well, plenty of others starting. Like this fella here and that fella there. How are we doing under here? Any sneakies? Any sneakies? Well, I think we can hear the music from the front. Let's go up there and go have a look and see how it's going. And here we are up front, looking at the chicks and peas, past the lamb's breath, past the hosta. And we'll look straight at our other bed of morning glories. Climbing all over these daylilies, what's left of them, and our sunflower, popping up the new flower, and there's another one here that's popped up. It was opening up yesterday. We should get a lot of activity from the pollinators, very much like this one had. This other hosta and all its shoots also being climbed over by the morning glories. How's our pumpkinish squash doing? Not much growth. Not much growth at all. What's going on? Oh no! No wonder it's not growing. Looks like it broke off. Well, so much for that. It was the only possible one. Well, I guess any pumpkin we get this year will have to be from the grocery store. If we want any pumpkin. Of course, I still have some left, I believe, downstairs from being canned a couple years ago. Problem is, I've used a lot of my empty squash cans to do extra pickling this year. See this other sunflower here? It's just going straight up. It's even seemed to have stopped even wanting to try to find the sun at the moment until it gets its flower out. Our morning glory growth and climb. The morning glories will keep going. There's a bright one. How's the climb doing here? Just as well. Looks like they've climbed right on top. See a little. Right there. Well, thank you all for coming out and having a look and an update on the growth of the garden. It's a very busy front bed. And now we will watch it slowly turn brown in a couple of weeks as fall comes upon us. Well, thank you all for coming out and having a look at an update on the growth of the garden, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Here's Johnny.